Hello, my name is Aisling White and I am the founder of Embrace, a holistic pregnancy and birth preparation support container, a 6-week container. I'm going to share with you the features and benefits of Embrace in this video. So, birth is one of the most powerful thresholds of life. How you prepare matters. This journey is for you if you are a woman who desires to understand your body and birth physiology so you can trust the process, nourish yourself and your baby with holistic health and nutrition, strengthen intuition and boundaries to feel safe and confident, explore birthing at home and what you truly need to know, gather tools and prepare your birth team with clarity, and honour the sacred transition into postpartum. Together, we create a circle of support where you feel held, informed, and deeply empowered. What's included in Embrace? Embrace is all about reconnecting to nature and Mother Earth, restoring ceremony, community, and the sacred rite of passage that birth is. Embrace is here to truly wholeheartedly hold women at this time, at this threshold. You deserve to be surrounded by women who have walked before you and learn from them on how to have an intact birth, to experience birth as the peak experience of vitality and power that it is. So in Embrace, you have a 1-to-1 intake call and 6 live group calls that provide guidance and support to prepare for pregnancy, natural physiological birth, postpartum, and motherhood. Each week, we go within by collectively delving into some journaling questions. There's then space for conversation and connection to be seen and heard by other women. I'll now go through the topics of each week. I go through some slides at the beginning. We usually do a meditation, the journaling, and then sharing. Sometimes there's a guest speaker sharing their birth story as well. Week 1, the new paradigm of health and birth physiology. Week 2, holistic health and nutrition. Week 3, intuition and boundaries. Week 4, birthing at home and what you need to know. Week 5, birth team and birth toolkit preparation. Week 6, sacred postpartum. The next feature, the Embrace Library, which is full of meditations and videos about the states of consciousness you travel through in birth. And story medicine from other women who have walked the path before you, for you to hear, feel, and be inspired and encouraged on your path, on what is possible, on your path of having the birth that your heart is asking of you. The next feature, meet other like-spirited women to feel part of the great web of women choosing to prepare for birth and motherhood holistically and naturally. Women who share the same vision and can hold yours. This is so important. This is so important because in the day and age we're living in now, birth has become so medicalized and it's very rare to speak to a woman who hasn't gone through some level of violation, coercive control, pressure in the hospital setting around their birth. And that's become normalized. If you are longing for a different experience to birth in your own, with your own autonomy, as you as the authority, that is so beautiful, and there are women that are walking that path with you, and we are here to support you. Next feature, we cover all the variations of normal to best prepare you for your birth and give you the confidence and trust in yourself and your body. You will learn what you need to know, what you need to look out for to keep yourself as safe as possible. The next feature, mindset and nervous system regulation support tools to dissolve fears around pregnancy, birth, and postpartum. Journaling is so helpful for this. Pregnancy and birth myths will be cleared to build your trust in and to build your trust in your ability to conceive, gestate, birth your baby in your power. It's natural to be nervous. It's natural to have fears when we're doing something new. But how does anyone go through anything new? Think about a child. Think about yourself when you're scared of something. Having support, having emotional care and co-regulation, and people to turn to for reassurance, and learning how to reassure yourself is so important. So if you are interested, reach out to me. I will leave all the links below. I am so excited to be trailblazer of this in Ireland, and having created this 6-week container, it has come through me and it is here for the women. Any woman that is drawn to me, drawn to this work, drawn to birthing at home, birthing in their power, knowing about pregnancy and birth and what to look out for, what they need to know, right? And not blindly walking into a massive transformational time. You deserve to be held, to be guided from a loving space, not fear, love-based resources, and to develop that trust in your own body's design to birth your baby. Birth is a natural bodily function. Women give birth in a coma, and you can give birth in whatever way you wish. But what I want the most is that you know what birth could be, and that you are supported and informed and educated. Beautiful, beautiful woman, thank you for watching.